Bitcoin moved towards the upside yesterday evening. After this symmetrical triangle breakout, we did create that momentum towards the upside, and right now, Bitcoin has created this CME gap. So, what are we going to do next? Are we going to be breaking our consolidation towards the upside and break towards new highs? Because definitely, we do have very bullish news coming in. Well, certainly, it is time to not get fooled in Bitcoin's price action right now. So, well, without any further ado, let's first of all, as always, have a look into what's that imminent short term. And yes, indeed, we did get that breakout yesterday evening from off this symmetrical triangle. And what did I exactly say? Yesterday and the day before, I said, yes, definitely, we can be creating some momentum towards the upside. But I do not think we are going to be reaching our target, because our target is going to be all the way up towards about that 39k target. And in my opinion, I just do not see us reaching all that levels that high, because truth is, we are currently still consolidating, and I have been saying it time and time again, until we are going to be creating our news event, a massive news event, well, then we are going to be breaking out. But right now, I just think that we are in a perfect setup for creating some kind of a symmetrical triangle and then get our massive breakout. Okay, so I am just on the lookout for that. I want to be preparing myself for the next big Bitcoin pattern. Yes, potentially we are going to be breaking out towards the highs right here, because yes, we are getting this massive bullish news that Argentina now has a Bitcoin friendly president. Of course, we have been having a look into towards this for the last couple of weeks already. Yes, this is a pretty bullish development that is going on right now, but the truth is, we are creating this CME gap down below us, and yes, while these CME gaps have not yet been filled and we have just been pumping towards the upside, we can clearly see that momentum is being lost, and the last CME gap right here definitely did get filled. So I do expect it is going to be more likely that we are going to be continuing our consolidation and are actually going to be filling this CME gap. Now, just like I said, definitely if we can be breaking above our previous highs right here, that would indeed mean that we are going to be headed even higher. Okay, because the larger term trend is of course very bullish, and because of this, because of the tether printing that is currently going on, which is very bullish for the Bitcoin price, I am definitely rather more bullish inside of this range than I am bearish. I'm not going to be looking in towards shorting this in any kind of a way. I'm only looking to be longing this current Bitcoin trend. That is what I've been saying for the last couple of weeks as well. We have perfectly been getting cautious at this high. We have perfectly been longing both of these two dips, getting cautious as well over here. So we have been perfectly playing out this range right here, and right now I should once again be a little bit more cautious. Now, before going in towards some ETF news, because this is very important, as well as some longer term charts, but before that, I do want you to know that you can right now claim a free $2,000 trade on Bybit by clicking this link right here. You only have to sign up using that link, deposit $100 within 7 days, and you can enjoy your free $2,000 trade, which is the platform I personally use for my trades. So definitely, if you are as well interested in trading this current market, well, be sure to grab this free trade out there. And quickly having a look into what's the ETF news. Well, only a few people understand right here that the BlackRock Spot Bitcoin ETF has to be 101 backed with real Bitcoin. And this will be providing massive amounts of buying pressure within a couple of days. And yes, we will not be pushing Bitcoin above 100k almost instantly, but definitely within the next bull market, we can reach this target. Now, of course, the real question is going to be, when is this spot Bitcoin ETF going to be accepted? And nobody really knows. One thing is for sure, I do expect we are going to be seeing it accepted on a random, unexpected date. That is, in my opinion, for sure. Probably it will not be accepted just a few days before the final deadline of ARK investment. So probably, because it is going to be happening on a random, unexpected date, I do still think it is going to be happening this December. This December, the chances will be very, very likely. But of course, this is just pure speculation. But one thing that we do know for sure is that all spot Bitcoin ETFs will pretty likely be accepted within 51 days, because then that final deadline for ARK investment is coming up. So be aware of that. It can happen anytime soon. It can happen any moment. And with that being said, maybe in the imminent short term, yes, I'm going to be expecting some more consolidation, but definitely in the longer term, I am very bullish on the Bitcoin price, and I definitely see us going all the way up towards that previous high over here, which is going to be coming in at about the 48k level. So whenever we are going to be creating that symmetrical triangle over here, well, it will present us with a perfect opportunity to trade that breakout. If we are going to be breaking that one out towards the upside, it will be presenting us with that perfect trading opportunity. So that is where I'm waiting for. And guys, if you do want to be staying up to date, make sure to be following me on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.